Changing your bank account on PandaDoc is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment information easily. Step 1. Log into your PandaDoc account. Access your PandaDoc account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have the correct username and password to avoid any issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this section to view your current bank account details. Step 4. Update bank account details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the icon link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new bank account is now linked to your PandaDoc account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account information will be updated successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PandaDoc support for assistance.